Zeal Environmental Technologies, a leader in oil waste treatment for Ghana's offshore petroleum operations, will soon commence distilling kerosene from oil waste for use to reduce firewood consumption in the country. The chief executive of Zeal, Annim, said this while briefing the Indian High Commissioner who was on tour of Zeal's Nyankrom plant in the western region for investment opportunities. City Business News' Annim has the details.
Zeal Environmental Technologies is a wholly owned Ghanaian waste treatment firm for both Ghana's offshore petroleum operations and mining companies, as well as some oil fields in the West African sub-region. Zeal currently manages over 50% of the total waste generated at Talos Jubilee Field and the 10 Field, as well as chemical services to the ENI offshore West Cape Trade Point. Explaining its treatment of liquid waste received from offshore to the Indian High Commissioner to Ghana, who toured the plant to explore investment opportunities for Indian investors, the chief executive of Zeal said a greater part of oil waste received are treated for reuse.
This same oil, those doing the road construction, is used to mix up with the bitumen as an added raw material. Now, what we are exploring to do in the immediate future is this. The recovered oil, we are trying to get an equipment that we can distill the recovered oil to generate kerosene.
The general manager also explained Zeal's protocol for incinerating chemical solid waste.
What we incinerate is medical waste, oily rags, filters, paint cans, and whatnot, or obsolete chemicals as well. The ash that comes out, we stabilize the ash, and that can also be used to mold blocks as well. If there are metal parts, the metal parts go to, to metal recycling.
The Indian High Commissioner to Ghana was at the waste treatment plant of Zeal Environmental Technologies as part of his two-day first official visit to the western region. The High Commissioner, who was accompanied by the Second Takrady Chamber of Commerce and Industry members after the tour, expressed satisfaction with Zeal's operations and hinted of possible investment partnerships.
I think these are very important developments of clean and green technologies to ensure that we take care of our environment, and particularly in western region, in Takoradi, where most of Ghana's oil is explored. I think this facility gives the operators an opportunity to be sustainable at lower costs.
Zeal is currently undergoing upgrading to expand its oil waste management services to the extractive and petroleum sector. For City Business News, I am Annim, Takrady.